Welcome back to another video. So how you can enable control folder access. So it will protect your file from ransomware. So how you can do that? First of all, search on the search bar, security, Windows security feature. Okay, so this is the Windows security icon. Okay, you have to search security or Windows security. You can see this icon. So open this icon. When you open, it will open the security Windows security setup. Okay, and click on the virus and threat protection. When you click on the virus and threat protection, slide down little bit and you can see virus and threat protection settings. When you see virus and threat protection settings, manage setting, click on manage setting. When you click on manage settings, slide down little bit and slide down little bit, you can see control folder X. Control folder access. Protect file, folder and memory areas on your device from unauthorized change and by unidentified applications. So you can click here. When you click here, you have to just enable it. Okay, protect file and folder and memory areas. Okay, so just turn on it and it will protect your files and folders from ransomware type attack. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Okay, bye.